to get to your brain, the fastest way would be to breathe it as structured air and take it directly into the cell via the air. And air is just water in another form. If there weren't water in the air, you would not be able to breathe. And I'm going to tell you, it's becoming more and more a problem because we as humans have created all sorts of devices that are eliminating free oxygen. All of the electromagnetic fields, wireless phone, 5G, all the communications towers. I've had people tell me that their skin is turning black because they just built a cell tower half a mile from me. I know with Oregon, you guys are, or people have been fighting uh, energy fields for some time, but they're becoming more and more prevalent, if you haven't noticed. 5G is one of them. Uh, Another really big one coming at us here in the States now uh, is um, the Aurora Borealis. You don't even know what that is, but it is EMF, positive ions, massive positive ions. Um, um, and that's nature made. There's several other nature made positive ion charges that are coming at us all the time. But there's also man made, and that's the electrical power. An animal will not graze underneath a power line because the energy is detrimental to their physiology. They're not stupid. But yet, here in the United States, there's a significant number of schools built under power lines. Why? Because land is cheap, but nobody talks about it. But if you look at the let's say the medical record of the United States, how many children are going in because they have leukemia? Leukemia is the cancer of energy.